Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. What is going on with my arms? Today I'm going to be doing another advent calendar video. I think I've accidentally done 3 in a row, which wasn't the plan. I hope you're not getting bored of them. I promise my next couple of videos will be something a little bit different, but today I'm going to be doing another full face of makeup using whatever comes out of an advent calendar. This is actually the cheapest one that I've done so far. It's the Superdrug Studio London Tis the Season to Sparkle advent calendar, and this cost me £26. However, it has now been reduced to £20, so 20 quid for an advent calendar. I think that's pretty good, but yeah, we're gonna find out if it is actually any good or if there's a load of rubbish in there. As always, I've done my foundation, concealer and powder already because I know they wouldn't put it in an advent calendar because they wouldn't know your shades. So yeah, apart from that, everything else has to come out of here. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a really nice box. Like, for a cheaper advent calendar, it feels really good quality, like a really nice sturdy box, and then inside you've just got a bunch of boxes like this. So day number 1 is this one here. Okay, so day number 1, we've got a body glitter. So it's just like a little pot of white loose glitter. I mean, I have no use for this right now because I don't really want to put it on my face and I have no glue, so that's not very useful right now, but it's fine, it's only on day number 1. I'm just going to put this to one side, but yeah, that is what you get in the first day. Okay, so we've got day number 2. This one's kind of bulging out a bit. I think there's something big in here. Okay, so in day number 2, we've got some glitter. So day number 1, we've got some body glitter. Day number 2, we've just got some glitter. We don't know where it goes, it's just glitter. You can put it wherever you want. Well, probably not anywhere, but is this just gonna be filled with glitter? I hope not. This one is more of like a purpley shade, but again, it's just a loose glitter. I have no use for it right now because I don't have any glue. So yeah, again, I'm gonna have to put that to one side as well. Note to self, don't tip it upside down, all the boxes will fall out. What I was about to say is this calendar is called Tis the Season to Sparkle, so maybe it is just filled with glitter. I've not looked at what's inside. I never look before I do these videos because I think it spoils it. Day number 3, please be something that I can put on my face. I don't care what you are, you're going on my face. So we've got another pot of body glitter. I think this calendar is just glitter. This might be the biggest full face fail that we've had so far, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. We've got some silver body glitter, so wow. Day number 4, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So in day number 4, you get a lip silk. It's like a little, is that like a mini liquid lipstick? Yeah, it's like a mini liquid lipstick with a dangly bit of hair coming off of it. Lovely. It is a nice shade though, like it's a nice nudie, kind of almost pinky tinge shade. Do you know what? I think I might use it. I don't think there'll be another lip colour in there that I like more than that, because that is very much my kind of shade. So I'm gonna why can't I speak? I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lips. I don't know why the applicator is so hairy. A little bit concerning. Not as concerning as the smell. No, it just has that typical like kids makeup smell. Yeah, also this is tiny, but never mind. We've got to remember this calendar is cheaper than other ones, so we can't complain about the mini sizes. Okay, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that on my lips. That actually applied really nicely. It was really easy to put on. It looks pretty decent actually, and it is a nice color, so I'm really happy with that. I think that's a really nice little lip product to have in there. Day number 5. What is that? Oh, another lip product. So we've got a Shimmer Lipstick. Okay, I was definitely right to use the one before because I would not go for something like this, but you do get a shimmery lipstick. It's kind of like a rose goldy colour. I'm gonna pop that to one side because my lips are already done. Day number 6. This is so tiny, it feels like there's nothing in there. What on earth could this be? So you get 2, well actually you get 4 because they're double-sided. You get 4 little eyeshadow applicator sponge things. I mean, fair enough, put them in there. Some people might like using them. I feel like you could put these with an eyeshadow. I feel like just receiving these might be a little bit disappointing, but yeah. that is what you get. I am probably not going to use them. Right, day number 7. Okay, this one feels a lot heavier. So you get a little nail polish, which I think that's all right. I think it's quite a nice thing to receive, but obviously for this challenge that I'm doing right now, this isn't that useful because I can't put this on my face. Day number 8. Come on, give me some makeup. Give me some makeup, please. I know, it's a lip gloss, isn't it? I know it is. I knew it. So this is a kind of dark pinky, almost reddy. No, I'm going to say a dark pink lip gloss. I think I'm going to pass. Oh, we'll see if it smells. It looks like it's going to smell really nice, doesn't it? It doesn't. Yeah, I'm already happy with my lips, so I'm going to leave this, but you do get a little lip gloss in there. Day number 9. Oh. There's a lot of lip products, isn't there? We've got another lipstick, but this one is a red. So that's pretty good, and it's not sparkly. I've already done my lips, so that's not much use to me. Yeah, they need to spread things out better. You've got all these lip products in a row, all the glitter in a row. Oh, I just want to like jumble it all up and do it myself. Like, can someone hire me to make an advent calendar, please? Day number 10, glitter primer. Oh, or is this how you stick the glitter on? Like, is it glue? Yeah, it is kind of sticky. I think that is what you put on underneath the like body glitter. So it's just like a little base for it to stick to. Again, I don't have any use for this because no thanks. I don't really want to put glitter on my body. I mean, I haven't really got any of my body on show, so not much use for that, but I'm glad they've put that in there because otherwise the glitter is kind of pointless if you don't have anything to stick it with. Day number 11. Okay, what have we got? I think we have an eye product. This is a shimmer pigment, and that actually looks quite pretty. It's like a glittery, bronzy colour. Should I put some on? I feel like glitter is just so messy. I mean, that is very like loose glitter, but it is really pretty, like a really nice kind of coppery bronzy colour. I'm hoping there's gonna be like a pressed eyeshadow at some point. Day number 12. Oh, okay, so we've got a blusher. I mean, that is good. It means that I can actually do something to my face. It's just like a very subtle pinky kind of shade. It does actually look quite nice and natural, so I'm gonna pop a little bit of that on. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. It doesn't blend out. It honestly doesn't blend out at all. I put the tiniest little bit on and it's just stuck to my face. Like, I cannot get that to blend out. Like, watch, I'm gonna do it with the other side. I bet it won't do it this time. No, look. I tapped it the tiniest bit. Now I try and blend it. It just sticks to wherever you put it. Okay, so it's not the best blusher in the world and I now look ridiculous. Anyway, day number 13. We have a lip shimmer. I think this is like a little lip topper thing. Again, I've already done my lips. I don't want to make them shimmery because that's just not really my kind of thing, but you do get that in there. The second half of this calendar better save itself because I'm not looking great. Day number 14. What have we got? Oh, my worst enemy. We've got some eyeliner. Not just any eyeliner. Of course, it's a glitter one. So this is a silver glittery eyeliner. I mean, that would be quite nice for Christmas, but it's just not a bit of me. I'm just not a glittery person. Give me matte stuff. But I mean, what did I expect? The calendar has sparkle in its name. I should have known this was coming. I feel like I'm barely putting anything on my face, but this will not go well. Day number 15. A nail file! To be honest, we haven't had one yet in any of the advent calendars. Normally, by the end of this series, I have a life supply of nail files. This is my first one, so I'm not too mad about it. Day number 16 literally feels empty. So you get a little brush. It is the tiniest little thing. So yeah, it's just one of those very cheap little brushes. What would you even use that for? Yeah, it's very like sharp and nah. Bristles are coming out already just from me doing that. Day number 17. Mascara. We've got a mascara. Okay, let's have a look at the wand and see what we've got. It just looks like one of those typical kind of kids makeup mascaras. I mean, it's kind of doing something. It's just very clumpy. It's not done a huge amount and it was quite clumpy. So yeah, my lashes ain't looking too good. We're getting close to the end. I feel like I've barely put any makeup on. Day number 18. Heavy. I feel a bit of weight. Oh, Okay, so we've got a little eyeshadow quad. These are typical. These are always in like the cheaper advent calendars. A little eyeshadow quad. Yeah, they're definitely very like grey tones, like greys and silvers. I'm gonna start off with this matte colour here. Just pop a little bit of that through my crease. If it's anything like the blush, it's not gonna blend very nicely. I just realised I've already got mascara on, so this is gonna be so awkward, but I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, it just doesn't blend very well at all. Like none of these products are very blendable. Yeah, that does not look great, does it? I'm also gonna try a bit of the shimmer. Okay, let's try a bit of the shimmer. Okay then, I mean that's pretty nice. A lot of fallout, but it's showing up really nicely. Yeah, that is definitely not the best eyeshadow look that I've ever done. Potentially up there with one of the worst because I've just made an absolute mess. I mean, maybe it doesn't look so bad on camera. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but I'm seeing an absolute mess. Day number 19. Oh, we are nearly at the end. Just what I've always wanted. We've got a one of these foamy things. What are they? A little toe separator for when you're painting your toenails. I have no use for this right now. Can't use this to do my makeup, but I can separate my toes now. That's great. Wait, there's only one. Day number 20. Okay, so we've got some glittery face gloss. Oh dear. So it's basically a kind of strange sticky substance with a load of chunks of glitter in it. I'm not going to be putting this on my face. I feel like it would just take off any makeup that I've got underneath. What am I missing? Eyebrows. I need something for my eyebrows and maybe like a bronzer or something and a highlighter. There's not going to be a highlighter, but that would be amazing if there was. Day number 21. My lucky number. 21's got to be a good one. Otherwise I'll just be sad. Oh, that one's nicer. It's another little eyeshadow quad. That one is so much nicer. I used the other one because I thought they won't put another one in there. They're kind of like very nude, neutral kind of shades, but I really like that shimmer. That's definitely more like something I might use. Day number 22. Okay, so we've got another little lip product. This is a lip cream. Very similar shade to the last one, but a bit more pink. Yeah, so this is the one that I applied right at the start, and then this is the one that I've just opened. They are quite similar, but it is just more of like a darker pink colour. So yeah, I'm not gonna be using that because I've already done my lips. Wow, I'm not gonna get an eyebrow product, am I? I'm gonna be left looking like this. Oh no. Day number 23. So we've got a glitter mascara. Wow, that is almost like a lime green colour. It's an interesting shade. Yeah, at this point I'm just gonna put a bit on because I feel like I've barely put anything on my face, so I'm just gonna whack a little bit of glitter mascara. Okay, no, it's doing absolutely nothing. Yay! Day 24. Give me an eyebrow product. You've got to. Like, you actually don't have a choice. I need one. Day 24. What have we got? In day 24, you get a little blending sponge. To be honest, this is better than those like rubbish eyeshadow sponges. I feel like you'd get more use out of this. These are pretty good for doing your foundation, and it does feel like quite a nice one actually. It's not too hard. Sometimes they're like rock solid, but this one got a good bit of squidge to it. So yeah, you get a little blending sponge, and that is everything. So oh dear. So my final verdict is I think this calendar is definitely aimed at younger people. If you're a lot younger and you're just starting out with makeup and just playing around with it for fun, I think you'd really love this. But if you are a bit older, I think you're going to be a bit disappointed because it is just kids makeup. But yeah, is it worth the 20 quid? I don't know, because I had that advent calendar for 30 quid, the Boots one. So much better. For £10 more, you get so many better products. So I don't know. I would definitely recommend getting that one instead. I think it was okay though. Like I said, for kids, they'd have some fun with it. So it was okay. But for me, not a huge fan, and I've ended up looking like a bit of a mess. So yeah, definitely wasn't the best, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.